Okay, EG1 tutorial. Today I'm going to start and I'm going to teach the first set, which unusually is going to be the pie cases. Using two 2x2s for this, because one I'm going to show the the CLL or EG0 algorithm, and then I'll show EG1. So for CLL, it would be this case, where you do double sexy move, or you do this algorithm, but I think most people use this at the moment. I use both. And the thing about EG1, if you didn't know, is it has a bar. We always hold that in the back unless I say otherwise. For a few algorithms that is true. Anyway, since we do F double sexy move, the easiest way to remember this one is first it's U2 away. And instead of starting with an F, it starts with F2. And then we do the sexy move, but this U prime is a U2, the second ones are UR prime, and then just F instead of F prime at the end. So actually, the algorithm is very similar to its normal one. Next we've got the diagonal one, where you have this bar along here, and these two opposite, and normally do an algorithm like this, which is an easy algorithm, but actually this is the easiest EG1 case there is. That's why I told the pi case first, because the algorithms are really easy. And here we hold it so that in the same angle we would for CLL, and you do R prime F, R2 U prime, R2 F, R prime. It's very fast. All you've got to remember is you're taking this piece out, inserting it into here, and then placing that one in, and there's cancellations, just make it flow. With the mirror it's just as fast, but yeah. Right, this is the next case. It's where you have the two bars, and for CLL I'd hold it at this angle. You can do a sledgehammer and just insert pieces like that. It's a fairly simple algorithm, I think most people use that. When you have it for here, you hold it at this angle again, and the algorithm goes like this: F, R prime, F, U prime, F2, R, U, R. Now I'm going to show you a simple way of remembering this, and I'll do it on both. So, all you got to remember is FR, F prime, you just remember on its own, and then it's going to be U prime, place this piece in here, and then pretty much I remember the end is just fixing this into this layer case. So FR, F prime. And I feel like I'm just building a layer kind of when I do the algorithm. So that's kind of my way of remembering it, do it yourself really. Right. So it was this great case, the checkerboard case, and you hold it from here onto the wall. You did like, sorry, not failed, but like that. It's a very fast algorithm. Well, you hold it at the same angle here, and it's also a very fast algorithm. It's just pretty much the inverse sexy move twice, without the first U. So R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime. So I think up into here, and you end up with this in here the wrong way, but if you just do F, that goes into its right spot, and insert. It's just very easy. Now we've got the slash cases, where we have these. So if it was going to the right, we'd do this algorithm. Or on the left, I taught I forgot what I taught, but I can't do it. Anyway, I'm going to teach both these algorithms at the same time because they're just inverses. So we'll start with the upward slash. So for this one, you come to this angle, so the bar's on the back, and you do F U prime, R U2 R prime F prime, R U R prime F prime. That may be difficult to remember, but actually I find it not bad. F U prime is a setup move for me, and then I'd say this trigger is the same twice, but firstly with a U2, then with a U. R U2 R prime F prime, R U R prime F prime. And R U R prime F prime is just one of my most used triggers. For this case we're doing it from the standard angle when it's the slash downwards, and we're using the algorithm backwards. So F R U prime R prime, F R U2 R prime, U F, which can be hard to finger trick. The reason this is so good is because it's even easier to remember. It's just F, insert like that, F, insert with that, and then that's just pretty much fixed the rest of the cube. Let's go over them all again, two at a time. This one, the pure case, bar, opposites, U2, F2, simple algorithm. This one, the EG algorithm, bar here, opposites here, bar, headlights in front. Swapping these pieces pretty much. For double bars, we'll do FRF to begin, place this piece in here, and then just fix the layer. For this one, it's just double inverse sexy move, F and insert. For the upward slash, come from here, FE prime, same trigger twice but with one move changed, RU to R prime F prime, RU R prime F prime. From here, the algorithm backwards, F insert, F different insert, and then just fix the cube. Right, so that's about it for the first EG1 tutorial. The next set I'll teach will probably be H.